Before loading strap, make sure your Optimax TRS600 is switched off. Turn the reel nut anti-clockwise to release it and remove it with the outer flange. Remove the previous coil or empty core. The TRS600 is supplied with a core size adapter. This is used for 280mm, but removed for smaller 190mm cores. Making sure that the strap will unwind in an anti-clockwise direction, mount the new reel of strap onto the spindle. Replace the outer flange and reel nut, turning the nut clockwise to locate it on the thread but without tightening it. Cut and remove all retaining straps to release the coil, then fully tighten the reel nut. In this video, we've removed covers to clearly show how the strap is fed through the machine, but in normal use this is not required, as the hinged front panel provides ample access. Take the free end of the strap and feed it through the two roller guides, ensuring that the same side of the strap is in contact with both rollers. Press down the release lever and continue to feed the strap until it's visible between the side plates of the accumulator box. Grip the end of the strap and while pressing the release lever, pull the strap through until the end is level with the last slot in the side of the accumulator box. Open the front panel to allow access to the feed mechanism. Without twisting the strap, open the accumulator access panel. Feed the strap under the plastic guide. Lift the feed roller release lever and feed the strap under the roller by about 2 centimeters. Then close the accumulator access panel. Close the front panel and turn on the power. Then wait for the machine to automatically fill the accumulator box with strap. Turn the strap feed switch to the left and hold it until the green start button illuminates. After connection to the power supply, the TRS600 needs approximately 5 minutes for the heating element to reach operating temperature. This is required before adjustments can be made. We recommend that you start by moving the tension setting on the adjuster wheel to 4 or 5 and the temperature setting to 3 or 4. When the machine has reached operational temperature, place an item in the arch and activate a strapping cycle. Inspect the results to see whether further adjustments are needed. If the tension is correct, the strap should fit closely around the carton without undue pressure that might split or buckle the carton. Too low a sealing temperature will result in an incomplete seal, which will easily delaminate. Excessive heat will melt the strap, and molten residue will accumulate on the heating element. Bear in mind, however, that a higher temperature may be required if large numbers of consignments are strapped in rapid succession due to loss of residual heat. Incorrect setting of the strap feed and take-up mechanism may result in strap feed issues. The TRS600 is factory set to accept strap thicknesses between 0.55 and 0.6 mm. If the thickness falls outside these parameters, the strap thickness setting must be adjusted as shown. Ensure that the sealing head unit has returned to its home position and that the strap is loaded onto the machine. Remove the rear table cover. Taking an offcut of the strap you are to use, loosen the 2 Allen screw-headed bolts gripping the press arm shaft so that the shaft can be easily moved by hand. Placing the offcut of strap between the upper roller spring and the upper shaft spring hook, adjust the clearance until it is the same thickness as the strap, and tighten the press arm shaft bolts. Please note that the amount of strap fed into the accumulator box is set in the factory, and under normal circumstances should require no adjustment. However, if the strap is jamming up or kinking in the arch, excessive strap is being fed into the box. Loosen the locking nut, turn the adjuster screw clockwise and retighten the locking nut as shown. Similarly, if the strap isn't feeding around the entire length of the arch, insufficient strap is being fed into the box. Loosen the locking nut, turn the adjuster screw anti-clockwise and retighten the locking nut as shown. Optimax. Optimum quality, maximum reliability.